Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekka Reviews, and in today's video I have the Amazon Echo Show 8. Now you may have seen my previous video on the Amazon Echo Show 5, but if you haven't already, you can watch the Echo Show 5 video on the link above. As always guys, if you like today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more content like this. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So just like the Echo Show 5, the Amazon Echo Show 8 is a smart display with the Alexa personal assistant built in. Only this time, you get a much bigger 8-inch HD display. You still get the same 1MP camera as you do with the Echo Show 5, which I think is a bit of a shame. However, the Echo Show 8 also comes with upgraded speakers. But other than the bigger display and better speakers, that's pretty much all you get in the Echo Show 8. Now the setup process is also pretty much the same. You'll need to download the Amazon Alexa app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Once downloaded, follow the steps on screen and your device should be up and running in no time. Inside the box, you get the Echo Show, a DC power cable, and instructions on how to set up your device. On top of the 8-inch display and upgraded speakers, you also get 3 buttons on top that let you mute, increase and decrease the volume. Furthermore, just like the Echo Show 5, you also get a camera shield that lets you cover the camera whilst video calling other Alexa devices. The screen size is pretty good in comparison to the Echo Show 5, and you'll have no problems at all watching YouTube videos or movies via Amazon Prime. On the back, we have the standard DC power input as well as a 3mm audio jack and a micro USB input. In terms of pricing, you can pick up the Amazon Echo Show 8 directly from Amazon for around £90. However, please note, in order to use this product you will need an Amazon account. I've also provided the Amazon link for purchase in the description below. But that's it from me guys. Is this something you would purchase for your home? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekka Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.